everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on leaving a driveway safely. Now let's face it, most likely if you live in a major city, you're going to have to deal with driveways, whether you're parking in your own driveway, whether you're parking in a friend's driveway, or whether you're pulling into a driveway and using it to turn your car around. You're probably going to have to deal with driveways many times in your driving career, and I'm going to show you how to deal with those driveways, how to leave a driveway safely. So I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Then we're actually going to go pick some random driveways to use. I'm just kidding. I know every person that I'm going to use their driveway in this video. I'm very familiar with this neighborhood. This is where I grew up. This is actually close to where I work. So I know a lot of people here, and I'm going to use their driveways. I already texted them letting them know. All right, so I'm going to tell you what to do, and then we're going to demonstrate it. The first thing that you got to do is you got to scan. So before you even start moving, you got to scan all around. You want to know what's going on, especially in a driveway. You might be crossing over sidewalk areas there are pedestrians potentially around there. Like anything could happen. It's way more likely that you're going to encounter someone or something when you're leaving a driveway than when you're driving on the road, believe it or not. So then once you've scanned, you're going to start to proceed, okay? You're going to stop before the end of the driveway. Doesn't matter if there's nobody and nothing there, okay? You got to stop before the end of the driveway every time. Don't just proceed. Stop before the end of the driveway, okay? Scan again and then proceed when it's safe to do so. Make sure to signal, and now I'm going to demonstrate, okay? So we're going to go ahead. We're going to use my buddy's driveway over here, the first one right over here. So I'm going to put the car in drive. We're going to release the parking brake. We're going to pull into this driveway forward so I can show you how to safely reverse out of the driveway, okay? So let's go into the driveway. We're good to go. I'm pulling into the driveway. I'm going to pull all the way up. Ooh, it's pretty bumpy there. I should tell him to look into that. All right, so now I'm going to put it in reverse. I'm looking all around, scanning all around. I can see that it's safe to proceed, so I'm going to go back, and as I reverse, I'm continually looking. Now, I'm going to signal left because as I'm reversing out of the driveway, I'm going to be turning my wheel to the left, so that's why I'm signaling left. So, scanning, slowing down, coming to complete stop. I'm at the edge of the driveway, scanning again. I see a car right there. You might be able to spot it in the video. Probably not, but the car's coming down right now. Scanning again, and now I'm ready to proceed. So I'm constantly scanning. Now, as I exit, I'm turning the wheel to the left, being careful of my front end swing, okay? Coming to complete stop, putting the car in drive, and proceeding forward. So that's how you safely leave a driveway when you forward parked and you're reversing out of the driveway, okay? So for the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be reversing into the driveway, and then I'm going to proceed forward out of the driveway. So here's the other buddy of mine over here. So I'm going to reverse into this driveway. Okay, now like I said, this is not a video tutorial for reversing into driveway, but you can watch what I'm doing as I'm reversing in. So now reversing into the driveway just like that. Okay, so let's go all the way back. Like I said, I know these people. Let's go back a good amount. So putting the car in drive, you start the car, scan all around. Okay, it's safe to proceed. So now I proceed forward, come to a complete stop before the edge of the driveway or the sidewalk. In this case, it's a sidewalk. So I'm going to signal right because I want to turn right. Okay, scan again. There's a car coming right there. I'm going to wait until that car passes, okay? I actually think this buddy is home of mine. He's home right now, so he's probably knowing what's going on. Like, hey, what's this guy doing right now? He told me he was coming later. Anyways, scanning again, I've signaled right, and now I'm good to go. So the key there was that I stopped. I came to a complete stop before the actual sidewalk. So it all depends, right? If there's no sidewalk, basically you want to come to a complete stop before wherever it is that the pedestrians will be walking. In this case of my buddy's driveway that lives over here, it was before the edge of the road, because that's where they would be walking. But in that other case, the second case right there, where I was driving forward out of the driveway, I stopped before the sidewalk because that's where the pedestrians would be walking. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.